Hi y'all. In this video I'm going to show you how to freeze brownies, and they come out just perfect. Just heat them up in the microwave for 20 seconds. Cool brownies completely. Cut into squares. Wax paper, foil, ziplock bag, freeze, thaw room temperature or microwave. Today I'm pressure canning ham. I almost forgot what I was pressure canning. Anyway, and that's ham juice, and I did re-put some ham juice back in there. I Instapotted this juice last night. Juice, I mean, you know, ham bone. So I would have it to pressure can in my ham. Some people just add water to their ham, but this is smoked ham, and I'd rather cook the bone, the broth, and then add my broth to my ham. That way you don't lose any rich flavors, and I don't put no salt or any seasonings in there. And since this is mainly going to be used for beans, I am only doing pints, and we had ate some of the ham, so I got, I think, 5 pints. But anyway, I want to I'll show you what they look like when I get done. If you don't know how to pressure can with a pressure cooker, you just well, I'm trying to hold it at 10 pressure. This thing right here fell off. It unscrewed from underneath, and when it got up to blowing steam out, before I had this jiggler on, weight on, it just come to the top and fell off. So I had to turn my stove off, let it cool a bit, and open it up to see what was going on. And it had there's a part underneath there that holds this on that just fell off. So I found it down in the pressure canner, and I was able to put it back on and start it up again. But you go watch my other videos. Now, I forgot to set my timer. That's a reminder. So it's already been going for at least 10 minutes. So let's set the timer for 75. I'm doing quarts. It's already been in there a while. So that should be enough time. There we go. Timer's going. Because it's already been going a little while. So I know it'll be safe. But anyway, I wasn't going to show you how to pressure can today. What I want to do was show you a tip. How to freeze brownies. And I got nuts in them. Okay, this is what you do. You take wax paper, and you wrap your brownie up in there. After they're cool, make sure they cool. Bake it at night and do it in the morning. Wrap it in wax paper, and then cover it in foil. And so when I go to fold the top, I put one on top, one on bottom. I'll show you how to do it. Okay. You got your brownie in there, you fold it, you put one this way and this way. That way it protects it from the freezer burn. Then you wrap it in foil, kind of like an insulator. Hard to do one hand, I don't have my tripod out. And then after you get these all done, you will stick them in a Ziploc bag. Where's my Ziploc? Hang on. Label it and put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. And they're just as fresh. Take them out, put them in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and they're just as fresh as the day you cooked them. So that's my little tip today. Y'all have a good day. I don't really feel like filming too much today. Okay, goodbye. Zeus, not my cat, has adopted us. He likes the food and our property, and he's learning to get along with our cats. This is Yin hanging out of his tree house. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day. Y'all come back. Thank you.